Okay, how we gonna do this? Well, good morning, everybody. We're at the end of the year for Texas Bass Nation. We're at the championship today at Lake Lewisville. I was able to fish it, practice for a little bit a couple weeks ago, and got ran off by some severe thunderstorms. So I got about an hour's worth of practice here. But we're gonna give it a whirl today. We're gonna get after it. It's gonna be super hot. I think close to 100, almost no wind. So we are already drinking the Gatorade and water, that's for sure. Y'all stay tuned because we're about to get after it. This lake has a huge sand bass population. Huge. Good catfish lake. It's not super popular with the locals as far as bass fishing. There's so many good lakes in this area. It gets hammered, don't get me wrong. Are you kidding me? Guys, oh, come on. Holy! Come on, baby. Come on. shaking shad. Shaking shad. All right, baby. All right, we're doing it. Nice and slow. Look at that. Look at that. All right, 14 even. 14 even, number 2. Bunch of bait fish right there. Oh, big fish. All right, folks, 3rd fish of the morning, 17 right there. 17. That tail. Fatty. Right here. Right here. Oh my God! That was it. That was the fish. Short striped it. This feels like a sand bass. Ah, catfish. Midday update. I'm making a long run to this marina, about a mile, give or take. I'm sitting in 8th place with 3 fish and 44.5 inches. By the time I get over here to the marina, I'll have probably about 3 hours, and I'm just gonna do it in there. Hopefully it ain't too packed with boaters and kayaks, but Everything's such a long jaunt everywhere. So that's Midday. Oh! Okay, how are we gonna do this? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, 14 and a half. And we're at number 4. God. Oh my God. Well, I'm completely disappointed. Those 2 fish really cost me at the end of the day there. I did my game plan exactly what I wanted and it worked, but I didn't capitalize on the bites that I had, and that really hurt me. Really hurt me. Lost the one on the buzzbait. I never really had the one button that was in the tree. He just short striked it, but still. Then I missed another one on a dock. Pretty bummed right now. Pretty bummed. Got a 2.5 hour drive home. It just didn't work out. Did not work out. There are some guys that they nailed them. I mean, they were on them big time. Unfortunately, I was not. All right, y'all, I appreciate it.